Okay, so this right here is the answers for the multiple choice part. If you don't have enough time, I'm just going to go quickly through it. Just want to give you the answers for it in case you didn't get it in class. Go ahead and pause the video, take a few moments to go in there. Don't really need to explain anything. There's no real math problems to work out for this. So let's go ahead and scroll on down. There's the end part of it right there. And then we'll move on to the next part right here. State whether the following are extensive or intensive properties with mass, color, density, height, solubility. The extensive property depends on and will change depending on how much stuff you have present. The intensive property won't ever do that. Alright, so for the classification of matter, there you go. Those are just the answers right there that you should have gotten whenever you look through it. Again, if I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause the video. Element compound mixture, pretty simple to do, I would hope. That's the goal. Hopefully you got it. Same thing with homogeneous versus heterogeneous. One thing I wanted to note on this part right here, element compound mixture, if you find it by itself alone on the periodic table without it being bonded to something else, it's an element. If you don't, then you go on to the next one. Is it chemically bonded in a fixed ratio? So something like this right here, or this right here, or this right here. If it is, then it's a compound. If it's two substances mixed together, it's a mixture. If it's mixed evenly, where you don't see a difference between the top and bottom, it's a homogeneous solution, also homogeneous mixture, also called a solution. And if it's mixed unevenly, then it's a heterogeneous mixture. Alright, physical chemical change, basic stuff right there, should be pretty simple. Conducting electricity and hardness, those are both physical changes because nothing new is being created. And hardness should have actually been down here in physical chemical properties. That was my fault. Physical chemical properties, height, mass, color, melting point, those are all physical properties. Aqueous solutions, basically can it be dissolved in water. Texture, ductility, which is being able to draw it into thin wires, and malleability is being able to draw metal into sheets. So there you go. And then for the multiple choice, it's A, B, C. I wanted to go over this one right here. What it's showing you is magnetic filtration, or sorting right there. And I actually screwed up sheet C. That was my fault. I looked at the wrong part. So it's A, C, B, C. Okay? So hopefully that helps you out. And good luck on your test.